This is not about teaching to the test. I hate that. It's a roadmap to help link good teaching practice of the 7 steps to the key focus areas that NAPLAN markers are looking for. NAPLAN values good writing, and 7 steps delivers that. It's designed for lifelong writing skills. So as a teacher of the 7 steps, you've already done the groundwork. Your kids are competent writers, they want to write, and they've got lots of skills. And none of this has to change just because you are simultaneously preparing for NAPLAN. These videos and resources will highlight how using the 7 steps supports you in preparing your students effectively and efficiently for the written part of the test. Our resources and approach have been designed to be realistic and, of course, fun. Lots of collaboration, short practice tasks, sharing with others, and the key secret, chunking. Small activities, not endlessly writing whole texts. Whatever your experience, the 7 steps will help you transform students' writing, not just for NAPLAN, but for life.